Hi everyone, welcome back to my Airtable tutorial series. A lot of people are asking me the easiest way to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. It's quite expensive to use some tools like Zapier, or it's too hard to understand when using custom script or JavaScript. So in today's video, I will show you the quickest way and the easiest way for me to link ChatGPT to Airtable. The solution is using Data Fletcher extension. I will make this tutorial very quick, so make sure you will watch till the end of the videos. You can watch the video I pinned in top right corner right here. That video will compare all the ways to link ChatGPT to Airtable. I compare all the pros, cons, and pricing as well. Okay, let's jump to the videos now. I have an example Airtable projects, Trump tariffs. You can see here a country, China, European, Vietnam, and Taiwan. The charge to USA by percent, the USA tariff by percent, and the prompt. You can read my prompt here. It's similar like Microsoft Excel. Create a small social media post about the country, charge to USA, so we charge them USA tariffs. Only give me block, no explain or titles. So this is a prompt I will test in this video. I will move my webcam a little bit. Okay, perfect. You can see the prompt here. Create a social media post about China, charge us 67%, and we will charge them 34%. Only give me blog post, no explain or titles. Similar to this one, European, Vietnam, or Taiwan. Okay guys, the first solution is Data Fletcher extension. In the left right corner, you click extension. Move my webcam a little bit. Add an extension. You search for Data Fletcher. Here we go. Add extension. Now, if you don't have an account, you need to create an account or continue with Google. Okay, after you finish, you click create your first request. Because we need ChatGPT, so we will click OpenAI. You need to have OpenAI API key. If you don't have OpenAI account, you need to create one. Now to find API key, you click settings, you click API keys, and you create new secret keys. Okay, now you have API key, you can copy it. And then you come back to Data Fletcher, API key, paste in here. The endpoint, you click this one, create chat message. Save and continue. Is a model, you can choose any model suitable for you. I will choose the default GPT 4.1 mini. The message is a prompt. You need to add a prompt in the table here, so you can do like me. The first prompt is you are professional blog writers. Remember this one based on what you need. This one is your example. And then you click insert reference. By this one, you can link the data in the table to ChatGPT prompt. You need to choose the table. For me, it's table 1, and then you choose a field. I will choose a prompt field, as I mentioned before. You can choose all the view, like this grid field right here, or you select individual record. I will choose grid view. I choose that because I only have one view, but if you have more than one view, you can choose a specific one right here. And then you click confirm. Now you can see here, you are the professional blog writers and link to table 1 and prompt field. Now I click save. Okay, now you can see here, this is my prompt, a small social media post about China. This is my extension, Data Fletcher, request 1, model GPT-4 mini, and this is a prompt, you are professional blog writer, and link to the prompt right here. Now I will run it manually. Okay, now you need to mapping the field. It's to ask me to create a new field, but I already have the field, so I will choose existing field. I pick a field is the output. Okay, I will save. I run again. Okay, request run successfully. I can close this, and now you can check the outputs. It's very cool. Yeah, it's very cool now. It has some tag also, the trade fair, tariffs, global economy. Similar to this one, let me see, European. Yeah. Okay, that is the easiest solution you can use to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. But like I said before, you need to check the price here. It's not free, remember that. Okay guys, that's all my tutorials. If this video helpful for you, please give me a subscribe, a like, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos.